your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make celery powder to garnish your food in and out of seasons. So guys, come along with me. This is the result of sun drying. I will blend into a powder form using my coffee blender, and afterwards I add a little salt as preservative. Add a little salt and mix. So guys, thank you for staying tuned. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.